Yo, what it do? Welcome back. Okay, so now engine's out. Now what we're gonna do is this is taking off all of the engine components from here, like, you know, these hoses, intake manifold, literally everything, the clutch, everything. And then we have to start sanding off this rusty ass block. We're just gonna wire wheel and just, you know, hit that mug like, yeah. This thing is gonna be a piece of work. Yeah, it's been a little minute. I've been spending my time like editing all the videos.
Stop the cap.
I'm just yapping. Everything is super greasy. I have to figure out how to put this on the engine stand. Damn G. If I can just put this on the engine stand and take off a couple of parts. Good. And I can put this engine stand somewhere in the corner so it's not taking up so much space, because this thing is huge. This thing is huge.
I'm trying to play this game here, and you're over here yapping. That's what we like to call it. She's yapping over here. Back to the lobby, kid.
China. We got the MA5 transmission. Thank the Lord, bro. It took a little second to get it, but you know, for the most part, it's pretty good. I think it has around like 150k miles. Does it work? And I'm like, yo, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna keep it real. I actually do not know if it works, bro. I really don't. Yeah, no, I'm gonna deal with this later. This is gonna be for another time. Let's start taking apart the engine, put it on the engine stand, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's do it. In order for me to actually connect this engine to the stand, how the heck am I supposed to take this off? I have no clue, man. Damn, G. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh, man. Oh, I think this piece is just covering it. Let me get a screwdriver. You spin the cone piece. You'll have access to the bolts right here, and you just unbolt them one by one as you turn them, and it'll just pop right off. So let's do that real quick. This thing falls on my leg, dude. I'm gonna be so upset. Like, look at this. Dumb G. That's gonna take a couple years to take off that rust.
Is this nigga serious?
Bro, please, for the love of God, do not fall on my leg. That would actually ruin my whole night. Bro, I'm watching it just to make sure it won't fall. Oh, it's kind of moving. It's kind of moving. Okay. So that's 6 bolts. Yeah. Now, bro, I'm actually scared to get under this thing. Moment truth. Bro, I'm like scared to pull the whole shit off, dude. I don't want to like rock the engine too much. Alrighty then. This shit is heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Alright, I'm done. And then this should just come right off too. Never mind. Drench that mug in some PB. I ain't gonna lie. Hey. Good. I don't think I need this anymore, but this is how it goes, by the way. This is just for me. Alrighty. Also, another thing for you guys to know as well, this is how I organize my bolts. This is a lot easier than putting them in little baggies, because like putting them in baggies is just a pain in the ass, but I know exactly what is what. engine is on the stand. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick it back up. I'm just gonna start taking off everything. Mission is completed for now. It's already pretty late, so I'm gonna dip these. First, tomorrow I'm gonna get that bolts because this is like hella dangerous. And then yeah, we'll go from there. I want to bring the engine over there so I have more space, or at least like even do it here. I do not have enough space to be pulling stuff out right now. We're gonna pick it back up tomorrow and tomorrow.